What would an extra $10,000 mean to you this month? Let us know in the comments. Give me a moment to prove to you that you did not find this video by accident. As with many, you're searching for high-demand small business ideas that can change your income in 2025. Today, I'm revealing 4 proven businesses that ordinary people are scaling into $5, $10, and even $20,000 monthly. Let's get right into it. Number 1 is mobile car detailing. Start with just a few $100s in supplies and charge $100 to $200 per car. Detail 10 cars weekly, and you're earning $4,000 to $8,000 monthly. Second, home cleaning services. This business never stops growing. Cleaners charge $40 to $65 per hour. Clean 2 houses daily, and you can make $5,000 to $10,000 each month easy. The third is pet grooming services. Americans spend billions on pets yearly. Grooming averages $50 to $90 per session. Work with 5 pets daily and earn over $7,000 with loyal customers. Number 4 is lawn care and landscaping. Simply mowing can bring $2,000 to $6,000 monthly. Expand into larger projects and watch those numbers climb higher with recurring revenue. These 4 businesses are creating real financial freedom for regular people as we speak. With a simple local permit, each offers scalable growth and multiple income streams. Which business would you start today? Comment below, because your choice might inspire others to take action. Also, if this opened your eyes to wealth-building opportunities, subscribe to the Million Dollar Success Fineprints. We share strategies others keep hidden, giving you the edge to build your financial future. Watch this next cool video to get a sharpened success mindset.